Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got all of the ingredients to make blackened seasoning. Just going to start with some smoked paprika, some sea salt, black pepper, onion powder. Knock that black pepper back in real quick. Garlic powder, dried thyme, and Mexican oregano. Now you can add some cayenne if you'd like a little more kick, but I'm going to go ahead and stir this all together because my smoked paprika is pretty hot, so I'm going to go with this. Just know that that's an option, and it is included in most blackened recipes. The mortar and pestle is good to use because I'm using a real coarse black pepper. Mexican oregano is very leafy, and truthfully I'm not using sea salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And I like everything a little more crushed. But this recipe is based on my specific tastes, so you can adjust it how you like. Some folks like to add dry basil as well, but that's up to you. And there you have it, blackened seasoning right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.